Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilash Sinari. So today we'll learn how to convert angles from degrees to radian measures and vice versa. And we'll focus only on the standard angles and their multiple. Okay. So first, degree to radian. The formula is like this: k degree is equal to k into pi upon 180 radians. Okay. Now these are of only two types. First, when the last digit is 0, and second when the last digit is 5. So both cases we'll see. First we'll see when the last digit is 0. For example, 150 degree is equal to, with the help of this formula, 150 into pi upon 180, then we cut this 0, and these two numbers now will be either multiple of 3, 6 or 9. Okay, both the numbers will be multiple of 3, 6 or 9. In this case both are multiple of 3. Okay, so 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. Answer is pi by 6. Similarly, 240 degree is equal to 240 into pi by 180. Okay, then after we cut this both the numbers 18 and 24 are multiple of 6. 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. 4 pi by 3. Next, 450 degree, 450 into pi by 180. So both of these numbers are multiple of 9. 9 2s are and 9 5s are. 5 pi by 2. Okay, this is the first case. And the second case, when the last digit is 5. If the last digit is 5, most probably that number will be multiple of 45. Okay. For example, 315 degree. 315 into pi by 180. Okay. So what to do here now? 45 into what is 315? That you have to check. Okay, just remember 45 into 4 is 180. 45 into 4 is 180. This will require in both the cases. In degree to radian measure also, and radian to degree measure also. Okay, 45 into 4 is 180. And 4 into what is 315. So what to do? To quickly do this, best thing is, can remember the table of 9. Okay, so see the first two digits 3 and 1. So 31. Check where that 31 lies. I'll just write 9 1s are, 9 2s are, like this. Okay, so 31 is between this and this. So third and fourth. Okay, just double it. Double of 3 is 6. Okay, and double of 4 is 8. Number between 6 and 8 is 7. So that 315 should be 45 into 7. We'll check. Okay, this is 7. So 7 pi by 4. One more example, 405 degree. So 405 into pi by 180. So 45 into 4 is 180, and 45 into what is 405? Just see these first two digits and check here. 40. So 40 is 36 and this 45. In between this, so I'll just write. So this is 8. This is 4 and 5. Double of 4 is 8. Double of 5 is 9. Okay, 10. And number between 8 and 10 is 9. So this will be 45 into 9. You can check. 45 into 9. Okay, so 9 pi by 4. Again I said most probably, because sometimes they may not give these angles. Okay, there may be some different angle. these angles they may not give. That's why I'm saying just check once whether it is one of these angles only. Okay. Next, converting radian to degree. Radian major to degree major. So you can either remember this formula or you can directly, there is direct method for it. Okay, like this. For example, 5 pi by 4 radians. And just remember, we sometimes put radian symbol, sometimes we don't put, but degree symbol you have to put. Okay, radians are same as real numbers, so we don't put that radian symbol. 5 pi by 4 equal to what now? So just remember, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So wherever there is pi, just put 180. Whenever you are converting from radian to degree major. So 5 into 180 degree upon 4. Now we know 45 into 4 is 180 degree. So 4 into 45. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 45. Okay. Now 5 into 45 you have to check. So that quickly you can check. 45 into 5. So 225 degree. Okay. Next, 5 pi by 6. So in place of pi, we can put 180 degree. So 5 into 180 degree upon 6. So 6 3s are 18. So 6 30s are 180. So 5 into 30. And 5 3s are 15. And that's 0. So 150 degree. Okay. One more. 7 pi by 2. So 7 into 180 degree upon 2. So this 2, 9, okay, 90, 7 into 90, 630 degree, like this. Okay. And last most important thing is this you have to remember for standard angles, radian major and degree major, both you have to remember. Okay, so if you remember directly, means directly if you are asked pi by 6 directly, if you can tell 30 degree, or whenever it is given 30 degree directly, if you can tell pi by 6, or you remember that pi by 6 is 30 degree and 30 degree is pi by 6, that will be helpful for you to solve the problem. Okay, similarly for that remaining. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.